guys, good morning. I'm really tired. My name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk. I'm gonna do a quick tour. We're on our way back. So today's that vlog, the sad vlog where we go back. Super tired. We slept 4 hours. Yeah, I want to show you the Rosen, and we came here just literally for that, to sleep and then go back to the airport. One thing we didn't like is that on the website it said they had a shuttle, and then when I called, they're like, "Oh, we can give you company names or lifts," and I'm like, every hotel could do that, but okay. So when you come in, you have both a microwave and a fridge. First hotel with a microwave we've had all week. Coffee maker, nothing too special. Big trash can. Biggest trash can we had all week. Just a tiny sink. Couple, I need shampoo, conditioner, I'm not sure. Soap, tissues, you know, your regular old normal things from a hotel. And then the bathroom is fine. It is weird because the tub is elevated, so you have to like elevate yourself. And no hot at all. It was so hard finding the hot water. And then when you find it, it stays for like a minute.
I didn't get any. It was barely lukewarm.
It changes. And then there was it again. And then it changes. It does have a bar, which is nice. Yeah, nothing too crazy about it. The towels were okay too, but they barely covered. I don't know. And then there's two beds. There's a kitty in the bed. Different kitty than you guys have seen. Because it's travel back day. Yeah, I mean, fine. We checked it. It looked fine. It looked clean.
Yeah, I fell asleep really fast.
I did too, and I didn't think I would. We both said that, and then gone. And then I'm waking up sadly. Not sadly, but you know what I mean. Our mess. We already packed. There's tons of drawers, like a lot of drawer space actually.
Actual wardrobe instead of closet area.
Yeah, it's like a little wardrobe. It has a full-size mirror. Hey.
It does also have an iron. Does it have a blow dryer?
Yes.
Okay.
It's on to the TV. So overall, not bad. I would say coming in from Cabana Bay, which is like right across, like you can see it on the other side. Coming here, we were like, because there's like a bunch of souvenir shops around, and it just coming at night just seems sketchy. Maybe we'll see it differently when we come in. There was like a guard at the door, so like when you come in with your cart, he has to let you in, so that's kind of nice.
When we were first falling asleep, I did hear sirens though.
So we just felt a little like sketched out, but we were tired enough to just let it be. And then we're almost out of here, so.
And microwave.
And microwave. And then the other thing, the last thing I'll show you because I found it interesting, is this button right here. I don't think I've ever seen it. For privacy, close door, push button. Isn't this for privacy? Huh? Huh?
You didn't have our door locked. Oh no.
No, I definitely did last time. But yeah, very interesting. Overall, not bad. Where do we stay here again?
I don't know. It has a microwave.
I mean, it's not bad. We'll see. No,
I would stay somewhere else with a microwave.
Yeah, I agree. Okay.
I am so surprised if you didn't have one.
Next time you see me, it'll be at the airport probably. Okay. Bye.
So now we have 45 minutes until boarding.
Yeah, so how much time do we give ourselves?
Like 2 hours.
Okay, perfect. Because it's busy. So we came in. I mean, the check-in. I think a little less. No, 4:40.
No, because it's
Yeah.
at 5. Uber or 9.
We got here at 5:45. And our flight's at what time?
6:50. Well, 7:35.
Oh.
I think it was like an hour and a half. Like
Yeah.
2 hours.
Which was good because it's 50.
Please hold on
The
to the
check-in took
handrail.
15 minutes. That wasn't bad. What was bad was like the TSA. That was like 30 minutes. Now we're in the shuttle. No wait time. And then we just gotta find our gate and chill for like 20 minutes. Yep. And then go. Yeah, a different experience.
Oh yeah.
drip, 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 dripping. Another Starbucks? They have a Lolo's up here. Yeah. Alright guys, we arrived. Kat watched a lot of movies. She finally saw The Last Dragon. She finished Soul, The Last Dragon, and Scoop. I watched Cruise 2 and then Below the Deck. Good flight. We're really tired. Overall good trip. We're ready for some R&R before Kat travels again in a week. And I travel again in a couple weeks, so I'll be fine. But we're waiting for Brendan, but I'm gonna leave you guys here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, adios.